Now, Engel Enterprises was successful in raising tons of money, and talk about the good life for an investor. After Papp got done with us, he raced down to Daytona Beach and bought $1 million home on the inland waterway. Still hadn't sold anything, done anything, people were just throwing money at him. This is a gyrocopter that we went and bought at Oshkosh. We did all this stuff. We worked in this garage right here. It was hotter than hell, but then we could always go out back and go swimming and fishing. I was just always impressed at the amount of expense. I think, what did Engel Enterprise put, like $4 million into him?
I think it was
closer to $6 million put into this man who never did anything. Many, many people just like him, just like Feynman. In fact, I think Feynman is the only guy that I know that ever said he didn't believe in it. Everybody that has seen this thing. One of the reasons this Papp could get away with collecting money like crazy, buying all these homes, taking all these world tours, is that nobody dared to sue him because you see this thing running. You cannot find what's wrong. You cannot find where he's cheating. It's got to be real.
And those masters would be over anybody in that country that is building an engine, and then they get a royalty off of every engine, and then they get OEMs that build specialized products that the engine goes into, and then it goes on to the public, and then we have, for people that want to participate as an OEM, they have a they have several different options. They can pay $5,000 for an OEM license, or they can give us an application of $1,000, pay the $4,000 when they come to class to learn how to build the engine and take a running engine home with them, and it's the same cost for a product manufacturer. Now, the masters for the country license is a $50,000 application fee, and then we review a 3-year forecast of their production.
Everybody says, well, why can't we see a video of it running? We've made a business decision. We will not be going public with videos of this running. When our licensed community is ready, it'll be them who have the actual products. We're not product manufacturers. We're teachers, we're licensees, we're intellectual property R&D folks, we're electronics guys. When the time comes, it'll be our manufacturers, and we're going to support them fully and stand right behind them, hopefully with Sterling there at our big press event, which, you know, could happen as early as 6 months out from now.
The two-cylinder one here operates, it has a DC gear motor that drives it so that we can work on the timing and the positioning. This DC gear motor To date, our power ratios are not anywhere near as high as Papp. I would estimate he was probably 5 to 1 on his efficiency. So we've got a ways to go.